What's up, y'all? Today, we're gonna go through some new additions that we got to the rig. We're excited about it. You guys know we already got the new pressure washer. We're gonna showcase a folding table and a little rolling cart we got. The first one we have is a Keter folding work table. It pops out. This is gonna be my second time doing this, so don't make fun. Give me in the comments or whatever. So it goes something like this, pretty easy. Bam! And then there's this little thing here, and you pop it in there. And then what's cool about it, it has a little signal here to let you know that it's locked in. So that popped out, so we're good here. So we got this table. We had another table that it was folding. It was kind of broken. It was bulky from Black & Decker. We'll link this too in the description. So let me show you how this one works. So this is how it would go. Bring it out the rig. We got to take out all 4 legs. And that's it. That's all this table was, right? They're about the same size. Yeah. So we went from this to the Keter folding work table. So we like this because obviously the setup and breakdown time is quick, and it has 2 levels. What we put on here, don't know yet. We could put anything, chemicals, tools, whatever. So that's why we got this thing. We liked it. And it's the best part is breakdown. Also, we like it too because this thing is very durable, 1,000-pound capacity. Shout out to Drago. I'm not gonna jump on here because I don't want to bust my ass like he did. So let me show you how fast we can break this thing down. One more time, show you the setup and breakdown. Time me if you want. Here we go. Bam. Next one we got is the Hyper Tough rolling cart. So this one, you guys probably seen our old one. It was black and gray. Number one, we got this because this one's all black. We got this from Walmart. It'll be linked in the description below. What's cool about this thing, it's more sturdy. You can definitely feel it. These 3 attachments, hooks. It has a little boxy thing so you can put tools in it, chemical bottles, and another hook so you can hang towels. And this cart already has a hardware attached, so it's easy to put on here. It's not hard at all. There's no assembly. We have put in the cup on here. These attachments go on here easy. We like easy, we like simple, and this car folds. So in a mobile rig, space is always something you gotta consider. So I'm gonna show you how we can condense these side by side. Foldable crate, look at this. That's how much space it takes. So if you have a rig, truck, you're detailing out your sedan, I think this will work. If you got a shop. So for us, we actually have 2 of these. One's in the rig, one's in the studio. Same thing with the cart. If you're a DIY, go get a cart. If you're mobile, go get a cart. You got a shop, go get a cart. And for you cheapos, the good thing about this cart, it's half the price compared to the one they were previously using. And this Hyper Tough brand is sold exclusively through Walmart. We'll link both of these items in the description below for you to pick up. So these products here have been saving us time, keeping us organized. We'll link everything in the description below. We just want to show you guys our new toys, show you how we get down, keep you guys some game. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you guys on the next one.